Vlogtober is fun. Day 16 has begun, so follow us on the adventures we run. Morning, friends. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Marshy was asleep under my desk this morning. So cute. I have a bed under there because I thought that he might have wanted to sleep there, like when I'm doing my work and stuff. So I put a bed under there, and he doesn't really use it all that much. So it was very sweet to see that he was using it this morning, because I woke up and I heard his little noises, and I thought he was sleeping, you know, next to his crate, because that's where his cool mat is, and he really likes to sleep there. Or sometimes he's like inside the crate, so I checked there and I was like, inside, he's not there. So then I checked outside, because the door was like ajar enough for him to come out and sleep on the hardwood floor, because sometimes he liked it there because it's cold. So I checked out there, and then there's also a little bed by the gate, and I checked that bed and he wasn't there, and I was like, where's my dog? Because definitely heard him. So then I sneaked around and I looked under the desk, and he was there, and it was so cute, and it was just the sunrise was coming up, and it was so cute. But right now I'm gonna make some curry. There's the boy, and look at the pretty sunrise. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yeah. Where's your other cat? Hello, Milano. Hello, Miku. Hello, Mushu. Hello. You're not a cat. Where's Mumu? Okay. Cat butt. But that says moo cow. That's the wrong cat.
Milana, come here. Milana.
Milana. Come here. Come here. Milana. Oh. Swap trays. Okay. There we go. We close Mumu's one.
Look.
Why are you trying to close it?
Well, I need to turn it on, but Miku's chip is here.
Okay.
So you need to...
Oh, I love cats. I would have gotten a cat if I didn't have Marshy. We got Mushu. We got a pretty river Thames. See some pom-poms. Yay! Hello, pom-poms.
You're not a pom-pom.
You're a big pom-pom.
You didn't want to get in the car today. Oh, what's it worth it, Henry?
Hi, Henry. Hi, Mushu. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, huge. There's the pom-pom hugs, and there's pom-poms. Ah, look at them, they're so cute. I love the poms. So many doggos. So many doggos.
You should go weave. Well, I have done a lot of shopping already, and I've ordered an advent calendar for Marshy. Very excited because the ingredients look amazing. And now I'm walking around. Oh, there's Cuddle Corner in front. Oh, gonna see. Cuddle Corner is very busy. Oh, look at the cuddle. Oh, goodness. Oh, I need to go and see the poms. Oh my goodness, so cute. Good boy, Henry. Oh, you're spinning. You're trying to get your tail. Oh, look at that pose. Hello. Come on. There he is.
Look! Aren't you big? Aren't you lovely?
Look at the whippets! This one. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
standard poodle and a continental. So pretty. And a tired Mushu. I gave him some hair. Now he's...
What you see that are being taken away by our training assistant Jackie. The dogs are being sent towards that with working dogs.
So I'm sure some of the working dogs do it as well. Yeah,
I mean, for working breeds, if they're not doing the job they were bred to work for, this is a great substitute.
Competing, especially when she gets her toy at the end. So we're on to the seesaw now, making sure that touches the floor while the dog's still on there. And into our tunnel. Up over the A-frame, and then we've got one more to go. Let's start cheering them home and over the line. Touching that white area there, the contact perfectly. There's a nice bit of handling here from Amanda. Also, we do pick up all refusal there, so we pick up 5 penalties, 5 faults. Because you quite enter the knees on the left shoulder next to the first weeper. And we do carry on. This is an accumulation from this morning's round. And the best combined totals will head to Crufts in March at the NEC. Another refusal there, but we are going to carry on. Just want to try and not get eliminated. Coming up over the apron and cheers them home. Touching that contact area there on the dog wall. Tunnel! Swapping the dog onto the other side.
Leaves. Oh.
Picking up 5 faults there. We've got the entry, but we've just popped out a little bit too early. And then unfortunately, we didn't quite get the entry there. We're going to keep going. And James just choosing to go close on the other side there. And the entry. Kate loves to show off her toys to her human friends. And she loves weaving in the contact. So we've got one more contact for her to go. That's going to be our second class at school. So let's start cheering them home over one of their favourites.
Look at these doggy clothes. Oh my god, they are gorgeous. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Gosh. If I had a princess, I would be bankrupt. So pretty. Marmite, Rupert, Henry, Mushu! At the Case Hunt booth. Case Hunt. Car park is the best place. Oh, we got some Afghans. Ooh. Mushu, up! Pose up, pose up! Okay, not my face. It's the wrong way. Pose up here. Pose up here. Mushu. Mushu.
He's going to be nice at home now.
Wee, poodles. Oh my god, the fluffy butts. Oh goodness.
Oh, you're ridiculous.
Oh, she wants to get in Marshy's bag. Excuse me, can you get out there? Thank you. Hello. Tiki. Well, she don't want to. So I'm back home from the Discover Dog Show. And so I thought I'd give you a haul on what I bought, which isn't that much. But we also have little Marshmallow here. He's back home with me. He's very happy to be back home. Okay, thanks for the kisses. Mwah. So, I got a bottle of water from Costa actually. I've got quite a few leaflets. This was for pig's ears, the ticket. I did not do that. Oh, so I ordered a trial thing of Pure because it was on 50% off. So it's gonna come on October the 19th apparently. So we shall see how it is. I don't know if Marshy will like it. Basically it's like dried food or something, and then you like mix it with water, and then so it warms up and stuff and becomes a thing. Not that. Oh, this came in a little bag. This is the Soho Poms Rose shampoo, so that'll be good for my dog. I think he wants to go out. 1 sec. Okay, he just wants to be on the balcony. I also got these. I got a pack for Doug and a pack for Marshy. We gave one to Doug when I picked up Marshy, and Marshy did not want one, so these are good. I'm a bit disappointed that Marsh doesn't like them, but whatever. They are the yak chew pieces, but just like little small pieces that are puffed up. These ones have turmeric on them because that's supposedly good for joints. So yeah, but Marsh didn't like them yet, so we'll see. I got oh, this is like a little magnet for the animal poison line, which is good for the UK because I don't think we have that. This is the show guide, which is not, I haven't really read through it much, but there is a map in the back if you ever go again next time. I don't know. Oh, it has like a list of all the different breeds. That's pretty cool. So I got to see quite a few, and it's all in alphabetical order, obviously. Got all the 3 poodles, and oh, poms are there at the top. Pom-poms. It says their toy size. Oh no, the group is toy. The size is small. They need once a week grooming, or more than once a week grooming. It's more than once a week grooming, but it's not everyday grooming. Exercise up to 30 minutes a day. Locality, town or country. Lifespan over 12 years. So yeah, I think that's fair. It's really cool. Well, we've got all the different breeds and stuff, and what they are. Toy breeds are small companion or lap dogs. Marshy is not a lap dog. He does not like the lap, but whatever. So that was cool to get. I haven't read through it, but that was part of the pack, along with these, which are dental sea jerky fish tiddlers. So I'm hoping Marsh might want to try these. They're quite big, but maybe I like them. We shall see. It came with some other food that was like salmon and potato. I gave it to Mushu because I'm pretty sure Marshy won't like them. Oh yes, I met these lion dogs. Lo Chen. Yeah, that was pretty cool. They were like, take a leaflet, and I was like, okay. I'm not interested in getting another dog, but there we go. I got a few little different dog things. This one's the fish. Oh, I don't know what this is. Maybe this is like little vouchers. Let's see. This is, oh, free poo bags. Oh, that's good. Compostable poo bags. Oh yes, I saw these. Oh, that's fun. We got just one giant poo bag, which is huge because Marshy's poos are tiny. That's nice. They're not made of plastic, but they feel like they are. Anyway, whatever. That's fun. I got this, The Ultimate Guide to Parasite Protection, which is all about flea and tick stuff. Papillons, yes, because I was looking at these because of agility and stuff, and they're great for agility, very intelligent, but they need a lot of exercise, and I don't have that right now. Ethically Raised, I think this is the place that I ordered my advent calendar from, so I'm pretty excited about that. This is the Himalayan cheese, save 25%. That's the same as the popcorny things. And then this is for some sort of treats, I think. And then I bought Marshy this little gingerbread man bow for Christmas time, and also because I ordered him a little gingerbread collar tag, so it's gonna match perfectly. And then I got this for Louise. I don't think she's gonna watch my vlog, but it's a black toy poodle bag and it's sparkly, and I think she's gonna love it. Or it's a poodle, but it could be a toy poodle. It's a poodle. And I actually got one for Susie. It was black and it says Crazy Dog Mum in like white glitter, so yeah, I got her that. That was really cool. So yeah, that's all I got at the dog show today. Are you eating that? Oh my goodness. So I decided to crunch up some of the bunch freeze-dried food, and I added a little bit of hot water and mixed it up a little bit, and he's actually eating it. I also added some of the plaque off stuff, so hopefully that helps. He's actually eating. Good boy.
Hello, so we're just popping on the end of the vlog to say goodnight, aren't we? Yeah. So obviously Marshy had a good day with Auntie Sue's and I had a good day at Discover Dogs. It was fun, so yeah, all good. Lovely Sunday. I hope you enjoyed watching the vlog with me today, and we will see you again tomorrow. Say goodnight. Bye-bye. Bye.